दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद only on Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. It's hot.
Hello?
Yeah, is that Sahil?
Yes, who is this?
I'm Mark Matthew Daniel Kittori.
Hi, Mark.
Is it the right time to talk to you?
Yes, Mark.
This is regarding your job profile,
Okay,
right?
sir.
And we have a laboratory in Delhi. Somebody told me that you are interested. Job is तरह की
Yes,
चाहते
sir,
हैं.
yes. Actually, I'm looking for a job in the Department of Physics.
That's great because physics is very physics,
It is right.
right?
Right.
Because physics is not a chemistry
Yes, sir.
or physics nor a history.
No, sir. Right.
Right? Our company is basically looking for those people जिनको physics के बारे में knowledge है.
I have all the knowledge, sir. Physics is my passion. I think about physics when I get up.
Are you fine if I'll ask you some questions over the phone?
No, sir. That's absolutely fine.
आपने moon के बारे में तो पढ़ लिया होगा. If you are
Yes.
telling, right?
Yes, sir. In detail, I have studied.
What is moon?
Sir, moon is a part of our solar system.
Okay, tell me who put the first step on the moon. I mean, किसने चांद पे पहला कदम रखा था?
I know this one. I studied in class 1. It was Neil Armstrong. He went from the US. His spacecraft name was Apollo 11.
Everybody knows this thing.
Okay.
Nothing new. Tell me who put the second step on the moon. Take your time, Sahil.
Sir, I know about him. He's from US. He went in the same spacecraft with Armstrong. Sir, he's a fair guy. He looks like
Time
Neil
up,
Armstrong.
Sahil, time up.
Yes, sir.
दूसरा कदम भी नील आर्मस्ट्रांग नहीं रखा था. नील आर्मस्ट्रांग लंगड़ा था कोई. नील आर्मस्ट्रांग ने दूसरा कदम रखा ना. पहले उसको जहाज से उतरा ऐसे करके
Yes.
एक रख दिया. दूसरा करा, दूसरा रख लो, दूसरा रख दिया.
My mistake, sir. Sorry. Sir.
You have to know these things.
I know, sir. I'm dying to get this job, sir. It's my dream.
मेरे को सिर्फ ये जानना है कि लाइट हमको पहले दिखाई देती है और साउंड बाद में आता है.
Right, sir. Right.
राइट? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
Sir, see, light travels at the speed of 2.997 milli per second, and sound speed is lesser than that.
कम ऑन साहिल. एवरीबॉडी नोज. ये तो कोई भी बता सकता है मेरे को. इसमें नया क्या है? यार कमाल है.
No, sir. This is the correct answer.
Come on, yaar. Why are you arguing with me, yaar? Come on, Sahil.
But sir, I want to know what is the right answer.
मैंने आपसे क्या पूछा कि हमें पहले लाइट क्यों दिखाई देती है और साउंड बाद में क्यों सुनाई देती है?
जी,
राइट? क्योंकि हमारे मुंह पे आंखें पहले लगी हुई हैं और कान पीछे लगे हुए हैं. सो सिंपल. बाद में आवाज आती है. इट्स अ बेसिक्स.
Yes, sir. You might be right, sir.
अगर आप मेरे से अग्री कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले तो मुंह पे नाक लगी रहती है, तो हमें लाइट सुनाई क्यों नहीं देती?
Sir, I haven't researched on that, sir.
Come on, enough is enough. I don't want to talk to you.
I'm really sorry, sir. Sir, I'm really looking for this job. I'm really sorry.
तो
Please
साहिल,
give me one more
एक कोई सवाल आपने अगर सही बताया हो तो मैं आपको बोलूँ ना. अब आप you know about moon, you know about sun.
time. Yes, sir. Obviously, I know about.
मेरे
moon
को
and
ये
sun.
बताइए, as a human being, अर्थ के लिए ज्यादा जरूरी चीज क्या है?
Sir, I think so. It's sun because we need sunlight. We need vitamin D, and we need.
I'm fed up now, yaar. I don't want to talk to you, yaar. You are saying that sun is zaruri for us. What happened to you?
Sir.
It's moon is zaruri for us. Don't you know that?
You are right, but why, sir?
मून कब निकलता है?
सर रात को निकलता है.
लाइट की जरूरत कब पड़ती है?
सर रात को.
तो मून रात में लाइट देता है. एक साथ है. दिन में जरूरत है नहीं, लाइट दिया जा रहा है. दिन में जरूरत है नहीं, लाइट दिया जा रहा है. और यार कमाल है. हमें जरूरत ही नहीं है दिन में. लाइट पे खेल रहा है. लाइट
दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद only on Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. It's hot.